Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of the 15th through the 21st, and I'm going to be using more of the Valentine sticker kit from Coffee Planner Mom and probably adding in some more of the monochromatic. I did that last week and I really liked it, even though some things did not get done. Let's take a look, shall we? Workouts didn't happen. And I will say, I think my husband put the nail on the head. Part of it is my anxiety of driving in bad weather, because it was like not great all week, compounded with just other emotional things going on. And thyroid doesn't like that at all. So by the time I would get home, I was so fatigued and so wore out. Like, working out was like not even a thing. Rest was more important. And sometimes it's important to realize that. I will say today, Saturday, the 13th, is Legs and Booty Day, which will mean shoveling because it won't stop snowing. It will not stop. We got about, they said 4 to 8 inches last night. If you saw my stories on this day, I mentioned that the patio was clear the night before, and it was at least 4 inches. We have some blowing and drifting because that's just like life here. So yeah. So I will not be doing the official leg and booty workout from Live Sweat Fitness because I will be shoveling. Because poor Sharpie, it's bigger than him now. The snow is bigger than him. So, we can all chuckle at my Simply Gilded sticker book because the embossed name is here and Holly did it upside down. It happens. I guess we'll pop up the code here too. If you like Coffee Planner Mom stickers too, or you would like to try them, my coupon code is right here, Holly15, for 15% off. And you get a really cute freebie that I would show you, except for I've already used them. So you may want to check them out on her reels. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm excited to use half price chocolate. Here it comes! Guys, it has been forever since Sharpie played with his dino during a planner video. Get it. You tell that dino. He's also particularly mad at me. Not like Superman, okay? But I had Friday, so this is Saturday the 13th, so I had the 12th off, and I have Monday off, which is awesome. But I had to take my dad to a doctor's appointment, which meant I still left yesterday, and he was just like, I cannot believe it. I thought we were just gonna be buds all day. I was like, I know, Bugaboo, I know. But alas, we still made it work. So he's still got a little pent up frustration from that. I kind of want to do the flowers this week because I can always bring polka dots in another week. That's what I like about her Valentine's kit. Like, yes, it's like red and pink and all that, but it really is like springy. Like, it's really the quotes that make you go Valentine's. But even then, like, some of the quotes, like, doesn't even matter. So it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and put our meal sticker down here. So I think this week we're gonna use more of the flowers. And I want to use this guy here because I love it. Love it. Put our, ooh, let's grab a. Let's see, we got these guys. Oh, go well with the flowers. I think we'll use, we'll use the diamonds. Put them here. Dinner's right there. What I do like about having the extra day off is that my Imperfect Produce box always comes on Monday. And so then I get a chance to, like, actually meal prep a little bit more. So let's see where we're going from here. Things going on this week. We got another PZ Live shopping on Friday. I got another party starting, so we will make sure we put those things in. Oh, I didn't write out the, well, we'll do that in a moment. We will write out the times here in a moment. I think this week we'll just make it aligned vertical instead of an hourly per se. And then let's go with this one for our chores. We'll do the right there. Do I have, ooh, I have script stickers now in my tiny, also upside down, Simply Gilded Folio. I'm going to chuckle about that. I'm not changing it, by the way. I'm going to throw this out there. Well, I really can't in the big one. I could in this one, but I'm just going to be like, meh, that's just Holly. Because it is. It's just me. It's fine. I really thought like, okay, flap open, pocket on this side. That makes sense to me. But in my head, I was also going, oh, and I've seen Brittany do it. The pocket's always on the other side. But did that stop me? No. I think we're going to use the simple script for this one. So chores this week. Oh, let's use some flowers. You can do like a little layer action there. That's so pretty. Sharpie has left us. He said, I'm over it. I'm already over it. Yeah, super pretty. So chores this week is kitchen dining room area, which is zone 3. So we'll fill that in a moment. I want to put something up there. Since we used the diamond one down there, maybe we use the diamond one up here. That would make sense, right? I think we'll up and down. And then I like the I think we'll use the love sticker. I like that. That's good. Half Price Chocolate Day is going here, but I should probably do my whiting out stuff. Oh goodness. Making all of the racket. So I have 3 parties going on this week or this month, which is great, but my office table has now gotten full of planner stuff and sprinkles. So that's a thing. So those of you who don't know, this is an hourly happy planner. I love it. I do usually re-hour it because most of the hours they have on here are during the school day, and I don't use this planner for my school day activities. If I need to remember something about school, it goes up here. I don't really need it in the hourly part. What I do use the lined hourly part for, or like this week, I might just leave it as a lined vertical. I use it to kind of map out my time in the afternoons and evenings. But like I said, this week, I think since I don't have, I mean, I do have things going on, but I'm not sure I really need to map it out by the hour. I think it might just be easier to leave it lined vertically. And I know some people say, man, that's a lot of work to, you know, white it out every week and redate it. Yeah, I mean, I guess, but I don't mind it. So it's all in what you want to do. I think I'm going to use the this week sticker at the top here, because this is kind of like a meaning for like the whole strip there. Oh, it is payday this week. We could use that. Let's keep going. So we got that taken care of. I have a training on Ooh, we should use this box for the training. In the evening. So we'll put that there. And it's one that I signed up for, but it's for my Pink Zebra business. But it's not Pink Zebra specific. It can be any direct seller person. I think we'll use the important sticker there because it is important. I'm gonna set it off to the side. I like the zebra stripes. I should ask her to just make me like a ton of zebra stripe stuff. I don't know. Just a thought. Half price chocolate day. Let's use her. Do I want to just put it like right there? I feel like that's a lot of scripting, but why not? Why not? I don't really have anything else going on Monday. It's President's Day. It's half price chocolate day. Let's do this. In fact, let us flip this guy. And we'll put him like right here. Right? It's okay. We're just gonna go crazy. So lately I have ideas for how I want to do some spreads, but like this one with the Valentine's and monochromatic, I just knew I wanted to use both kits together. I had no rhyme or reason of how it was going to look. I just knew, hey, I want to use both kits. And that's how that's going down. Let's put a weekend banner because we can. There's a few kits of hers that I plan on getting that I have ideas for. Ooh, that's fun. I didn't realize this was like crinkle cut. Do you see that? I like it. Sorry. I like it. And then I think we'll decorate around the weekend banner with some of the flowers. It's nice to have weeks where like you can go all out with stickers. Like you don't have to worry about if you have enough space for things. Now, if you see my social media plan with me, you'll know that like that is purely functional. Like that is what it is. Let's see, what else? What else do we want to do? I kind of like this four corners action that's going on here. I feel like I want to put him somewhere just to like, when I have him there. But I like this box a lot. That's why I said like there's a lot of these stickers can be used not just for Valentine's Day. Okay, I did say we have payday, so we could put that there. Let's grab a payday script. And it's school payday. We'll use this flower guy, I think. Oh, we gotta grab Towel Tuesday for sure. And again, maybe we use a flower to denote that. These flowers are super cute. I like how doodly they are. And then we can put trash night. My husband typically takes care of the trash, but I like having a trash night sticker in here every once in a while because it reminds me to go through like the fridge and stuff like that. That like just get rid of things you need to get rid of type deal. think I do want a to-do list. So let's use I do have to do scripts, so let's put chores back. And maybe we'll put another to-do sticker, or like a checklist sticker there. Use like the lighter pink. And I think that might be it for this spread, guys. Super simple. Like I said, I don't have a ton of things going on this week, and who knows, if it doesn't stop snowing, I might really have not a lot of things to do this week. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I have links in the description to Coffee Planner Mom and all that fun stuff. And I think like it, subscribe it. I think I covered all those things. All right, I'll catch y'all in the next one.